Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning add Gmail account on phone and now let's dive right in. Now to add a Gmail account or a new Gmail account, simply open up your Gmail app over here, and after opening your Gmail app, guys, at the top right corner of the screen you can see a profile picture icon or your profile picture. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and then you can see this kind of panel will open, and if you scroll down to the bottom you can see the add another account option available for us. If you tap on it, this interface will appear. Tap on Google and it will check your info. Maybe it requires some verification on your side, and after the verification being done, you will be loaded to this interface where you'll be able to sign into a new Google account. So enter your email address or your phone number over here with which you have signed up for that account, and tap on next. And on the next step, enter your password, whichever may it be, and tap on next. Then after the required verifications, you'll be logged into your Gmail account will be logged in on your phone. And with that being said, guys, this is how to add Gmail account on phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.